can prayer truly help me let go of guilt? Prayer is often touted as a powerful tool for finding peace and freedom from the weight of guilt, but does it really work? Guilt is a sneaky thing. It can creep up on us when we least expect it, making us feel like we're stuck in a never-ending cycle of self-blame and shame. It's like being trapped in a dark room with no exit, and it can consume our every waking thought. And the more we focus on our guilt, the more it seems to grow, making it harder and harder to shake off. Guilt can also have a profound impact on our mental and emotional health, leading to anxiety, depression, and even physical symptoms like headaches and insomnia. It's no wonder then that so many of us are desperate to find a way to break free from its crushing grip. But what if I told you that there's a way to quiet that guilty voice in your head, to finally find peace and move forward from past mistakes? Would you believe me if I said that prayer could be the key to unlocking that freedom? One of the most significant benefits of prayer is its ability to calm the mind and quiet the emotions. When we pray, we're forced to slow down, take a step back, and focus on the present moment. And in that stillness, we can begin to see things from a different perspective, to reframe our guilt and shame in a more positive light. Prayer can be seen as a form of self-compassion, allowing us to treat ourselves with kindness and understanding rather than judgment and criticism. And when we're kind to ourselves, we're more likely to let go of guilt and move forward. But prayer isn't just about psychological benefits. For many people, it's also a deeply spiritual practice that connects them with a higher power or a sense of something greater than themselves. And when we connect with that power, we can tap into a sense of forgiveness and redemption that goes far beyond our own human limitations. Study after study has shown that prayer can have a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being, reducing stress and anxiety, and even promoting physical healing. And at the very heart of that healing is forgiveness. Forgiveness of ourselves, of others, and of the situations that have caused us pain. In many ways, prayer is like a reset button, allowing us to start again, to forgive ourselves, and move forward into a brighter future. It's not about ignoring our mistakes or pretending they didn't happen. It's about acknowledging them, learning from them, and then releasing them. So can prayer truly help us let go of guilt? The answer, I believe, is a resounding yes. Prayer offers us a way to quiet our minds, to reframe our guilt, and to connect with a power that's greater than ourselves. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of prayer and guilt. If you have a personal experience with prayer that you'd like to share, please leave it in the comments below. And if you're interested in exploring more videos on this topic, be sure to check out my next video.